The coaxial cable cutter is compatible with most coaxial cables. The orange insert has numbers corresponding to the type of cable. Use the hex key on the back of the device to push out the orange insert. Rotate the orange insert to the size you need and return the insert to its place. This will adjust the blade depth. Use your thumb to squeeze the device, opening the jaws to cut the coax cable. Then insert the cable. Use your finger to rotate the device around the cable to begin cutting. Put the connector onto the cable. Insert cable tip into crimping tool, then squeeze to crimp the cable. Make sure it is connected.
experts in engineering, manufacturing, and marketing have worked with Datacom professionals to innovate each product area of preparation, connection, and testing. Superior features provide accuracy, durability, and time savings. To prep wire and cable, Klein offers cutters, scissors, and strippers. Klein cutters and strippers are industry leaders, trusted by professionals worldwide. Klein's scissors are industry standard too, second to none, forged and sharpened for precision cutting and durability. The Coax radial stripper has a unique depth gauge for fast and accurate one-step stripping. Klein has precision tools and connectors with innovative features to terminate connections for Cat3, Cat5e, and Cat6 telephone and data cable, as well as RG59, 6 quad, and 11 coax cable. The adjustable selection wheel on the compression crimper provides a variety of depths to easily compress any coax connector size or length. The punch-down multi-tool has a patent-pending locking switch to turn off the impact function when using the included driver bit set. Klein's comprehensive lineup of coax, telephone, and data connectors feature new, innovative, and professional-grade quality, built for convenience and durability. Klein's coax connectors feature a patented universal sleeve technology for incredibly quick connections to a wide variety of cable diameters and difficult multi-shielded and plenum cables, up to 5 times faster than other brands. Klein's telephone and data connectors are rigorously tested for durability and feature professional-grade 50 micro-inch or greater gold plating on all connector contacts for maximum performance and long-lasting reliability. Klein's full line of testers check for continuity, location, and length. They identify opens and shorts in coax cable and detect miswires and split pairs in data cable. The testers feature larger digital displays and extra remote accessories to test more locations than other brands. Klein also has testers to trace wire paths and identify cables. These testers have exclusive features such as easy selection of 5 distinctive identifier tones and a power-saving auto offsetting. Remember, Klein Tools provides you a total solution for all datacom installations, from the preparation and termination of wire and cable, to attaching coax, data and telephone connectors, and punching down cable.
Introducing one ingenious concept, available in a complete line of tools. Each circuit alert tool features an interchangeable snap-in sensor, ergonomically integrated into its design. Just snap the sensor into place, and you're ready to test AC voltage without contacting live wires. As a result, Circuit Alert redefines safety. These innovative, ultra-efficient multitaskers are also specially designed for the way you work. Plus durable materials and construction. Make short work of your electrical work. Circuit Alert, the ultimate in electrical tools, exclusively from Gardner Bender.